Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the text tracking feature on CapCut PC. So let's select this video first, and then we are going to go to text, and we're just going to add a text here. And I'm just going to type in ballerina. You can also change the font if you'd like to. Okay, so the same. Anyways, go to the tracking section, select motion track, and select the subject. For instance, here you can adjust the direction. I'm also just going to turn off scale, but I'm going to enable the distance. I'm going to let it track the person here, and it's going to follow the movement of the person. You can track their face, their body, their hands. It's up to you basically. It does take longer the longer your video duration is, but it should look like this. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.